Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. 2002 Toyota 4Runner SR5 automatic transmission fluid drain and fill. Took out the 14mm drain plug. And look at that, we're coming up to right up to 4 quarts. Your drain plug, a little gasket on it. Feel good about that. Put that on. Tighten it up. Nice and snug. And we'll be filling it through the dipstick tube here, going up under the engine compartment. There it is, about 4 quarts. So we'll be putting 4 quarts back in. Pretty easy. Got yourself a nice drain container of some kind. I do recommend maybe catching it and measuring it. It makes it a little faster, a little easier to put the right amount back in. Dipstick tube is right here. Got my transmission funnel here. Got the dipstick here, added 4 quarts. It does actually say Dexron. It's hard to read on the dipstick, but it does say Dexron fluid. So I just added 4 quarts because that's what we took out. Pretty easy peasy. We'll start it up and run it, and we'll try and get it up to operating temperature, and we'll check the fluid level. What we got here? Any writing on this? We'll try and clean it off and see. This is probably, oh, here we go. Hot, right up here, hot. Cool, that says cool actually right there, cool and hot. So we're gonna run it and get it up so it's hot enough to check in the hot area. All right, start it up and run it. Maybe drive it for a little bit and get it up to operating temperature. I'm just running it here in the shop actually. Got a screwdriver wedged in here for a little increased speed. It says get the engine and transmission up to operating temperature. However, if you've been towing for a while or it's very, very hot out on a long drive, then let it cool down for a little bit before checking. But I feel pretty good about running it here, watching the temperature gauge get up to operating temperature. Make sure my hoses are both warm. Thermostat's actually in the lower hose. So we'll watch the temperature gauge. Then we'll check the transmission fluid level with it running in park. All right, try to get this, just make it easier to read, but hot. Use Dexron 2 or 3. Oops. Use Dexron 2 or 3. Hot area. So it's right here at the bottom of the hot, which I'm okay with at this time. It hasn't been run that long. It's got room to expand for hotter temperatures. Right now we're in the winter time anyway, so I feel fine about that. We took 4 quarts out and we put 4 quarts back in, so I'm good with that. If you find yours is in a different spot, go ahead and add as needed. There's a little tab down here. 2002 Toyota 4Runner.